Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python for loop, changing values with code examples. Introduction. The for loop is a powerful and versatile construct in Python, allowing you to iterate over elements in a sequence, such as lists, tuples, strings, or other iterable objects. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to dynamically change values within a for loop using code examples. Let's consider a scenario where you have a list of numbers, and you want to square each element in the list using a for loop. Output. In this example, the for loop iterates over each element in the numbers list and squares it, appending the result to the squared _numbers list. Suppose you have a dictionary representing student grades, and you want to add a bonus to each student's score. Output. Here, the for loop iterates through each key value pair in the student_grades dictionary, adding 5 to each student's grade. Let's say you have a string and want to replace all occurrences of a specific character with another character. Output. In this case, the for loop iterates through each character in the original _string, replacing O with X and building the modified _string in the process. The for loop in Python provides a flexible way to iterate over elements in a sequence, making it easy to modify values during each iteration. Whether working with lists, dictionaries, or strings, understanding how to leverage for loops effectively is crucial for writing efficient and concise code. ChatGPT.